teeming with color, fascinating behaviors, and remarkable adaptations. Each movement, each display is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of these creatures. They have evolved to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. These captivating creatures belonging to the family Agamidae are a common sight across much of the African continent, as well as parts of Asia and even southern Europe. Their ability to adapt to different environments is truly remarkable, showcasing the diversity and resilience of life on our planet. Join me as we delve into the captivating lives of these remarkable reptiles, exploring their diverse habitats, intriguing social interactions, and the crucial role they play in the delicate balance of nature. From the